Alright, folks, today we got a box of 7th Cross, a standard legal Universus product that was from a level 99 world. It has some of the coolest art in gaming, and I'm about to open it up, see what we got inside. Alright, so first up, got my stack of box toppers. Oh, we got the chibi ones again. That's awesome. Got Selinka, Dejanette, Eugenia, Joffrey, Remulus, Taisei, Turnloose, and Zolt. Awesome. I love these arts. These chibi arts are very, very cool. And apparently these are 1 per case, so I've had very good luck opening boxes acquiring these. Awesome. Alright, let's get into the packs. Just gorgeous booster art wrapper. I think probably my favorite booster design I've seen in any game ever. Just very eye-popping. And as always, they do have the Redemption Skull, so that means you can mail them in and get promos. Make sure you save your wrappers. Mail them back to Jasco. Alright. Got Edge of Death, Absinthe and Arrow, Napalm Stream, Fatal Eye, Golden Arrow, Whipped Crack, Demon Hide, Cross Up, Radiation, and Black Death. Not bad. Alright. Let's go into the next one. Got a Profane Sanctuary, one of my favorite cards I got to play with when we drafted this. Crusader's Oath, Lightning Spike, a Southpaw, Turnloose rare, Black Death, Demon Hide, Dragon's Tail, Cross Up, Wishing Ward, and a Moon Flare, which is a very fun attack. Alright. Next up, we got a Taisei, a Lightning Spike, a Profane Sanctuary, Tale of Nine Sorrows, with that crazy being able to add +9 to a check, Ashen Claws, Cat's Cradle, Dragon Tail, Shimmering of Madness, Barghest Fang, and Solemn Exorcism. Alright, we got an Affliction, Swift Exorcism, Napalm Straighten, and Initiate Launch. Interesting Remolist Rare, Wishing Ward, Golden Arrow, Cat's Cradle, Caustic Vent, Eviscerate, and a Wild Hunt. Alright, moving on, we got Sacrament of Blades. Very cool card. Swift Exorcism. Profane Sanctuary. Power Cycle. Another cool Remolist card. Eviscerate. Dominion over the Earth. Hell's Reach. Verdant Slaughter, which is actually very similar to Magni. Ashen Claws. And Demon Hide. Alright. Now we're up to a Gunblade, a Profane Sanctuary, Edge of Death, an ultra rare, the Queen of Hearts. Absolutely gorgeous card. Wonderful foiling. Cool little moon. For Eugenia. Got the Hell's Reach, Dominion over the Earth, Color Spray, Solemn Exorcism, a Barghest Fang, and Ashen Claws. Alright. Love that Spell Circle. Required card for Dejanet. Sacrament of Blades, Swift Exorcism, and a Purifying Chime. Gorgeous ultra rare. Got that cross up. Wishing Ward, Whip Crack, Caustic Vent, Shimmer of Madness, and Cat's Cradle. Alright, let's move on. Yeah, we drafted this set the other day. Had an absolutely lovely time. Just bought a box, cracked it open, handed out a couple extra characters to people, and we had just a ton of fun. The gauge mechanic was super fun. These characters are very fun to play with. Got a Gunblaze. Our girl Dejanet, that's who I played in our sealed Spell Circle. The Clockwork Castle with that hilarious Breaker 4. Oh boy. A cross up. Wishing Ward. Moonflare. Solemn Exorcism. Barghest Fang. And Radiation. Alright, let's see what we got this time. Got a Sacrament of Blades, an Affliction, Hellward Bound with the hilarious +3/+6 if you have a very, very specific setup. The Wearlight, awesome pull. Got a Color Spray, Dragon's Tail, Barghest Fang, Solemn Exorcism, Golden Arrow, and Wild Hunt. Alright. Alright, we got an Evil Eye. Another Hellward Bound. Good old Joffrey. Ley Lines. Another good pull from what I've been told. Shimmer of Madness. Moonflare. Whip Crack. Radiation. Verdant Slaughter. And a Cross Up. Alright, got a Purifying Roar, Bloodthirst, Evil Eye, a second Ley Alliance. Very nice. Wishing Ward, Verdant Slaughter, Dominion Over the Earth, Color Spray, Wild Hunt, and a Caustic Vent. Alright, let's keep moving on, see what I can find. Got a Crusader's Oath, Gunblade, a second Dejonet, the Dispelling Horn, Gorgeous Reversal, the Million Keyword Soup, Barghest Fang, Shimmer of Madness, Wild Hunt, Golden Arrow, Verdant Slaughter, and a Bug Zapper. Another Evil Eye, a Taisei, awesome, Lightning Spike, Dust to Dust, a Gauge 5 weapon. Alright, cool. Got a Shimmer of Madness, Cross Up, Wild Hunt, Moonflare, Hell's Reach, Black Death. Drafted a million of these, played them all. It's very fun. Alright, got that Crusader's Oath. Another Joffrey. Bloodthirst. Dragon's Tongue. One of the cool rares with a hilarious ability. Nothing like having a board wipe. Dominion Over the Earth, Dragon Hide, Ashen Claws, Bug Zapper, Eviscerate, and a Whip Crack. And we go on to the next one. Got a Hellward Bound, Affliction, Napalm Stream, a Fanatical Purification. Alright. Gauge 6, multiple 2, Zolt Ultra Rare. And it gives Gauge to a multiple copy. Very neat. Moonflare, Hell's Reach, Black Death, Radiation, Barghest Fang, and a Bug Zapper. Alright, let's see what we find again. Got that Napalm Stream, Purifying Roar, Bloodthirst, a Charnel Blast, Gorgeous Dejonet Rare, Golden Arrow, Dragon's Tail, Black Death, Cat's Cradle, Eviscerate, and Solemn Exorcism. Alright, got a Turn Loose. Excellent way to start a pack. Bloodthirst. Purifying Roar. Another Charnel Blast. Very interesting distribution on this box. Bug Zapper. Hell's Reach. Radiation. Black Death. Wishing Ward. And Dominion Over the Earth. A Remulus, nice. Lightning Spike. Gunblade. Ultra Rare Firefly Gunner. Excellent card. One of the back page support ones for a character that didn't get into the game yet. Caustic Vent. Radiation. Golden Arrow. Cat's Cradle. Moon Fire. And a Verdant Slaughter. Alright, got an Affliction, Gunblades, Eugenia, love getting the characters here, and Kieran Soul, which apparently is one of the best rares in the set and sees a lot of play in Standard. Cat's Cradle, Eviscerate, Solemn Exorcism, Shimmer of Madness, Cross Up, and a Wild Hunt. Yeah, ally keyword E flip. This attack gets -1 speed for each character in your staging area. If you block this attack, it deals no damage. Yeah, I can see why. It's a pretty good Omni block maker. Alright, got another Eugenia, Hellward Bound, Affliction, Bastion Stance, Verdant Slaughter, Ashen Claws, Demon Hide, Caustic Vent, Color Spray, and a Cross Up. Alright, you got a Lightning Spike, Gunblaze, Evil Eye, a second Wearlight. Man, we're pulling a lot of the good stuff. Moonflare, Dragon's Tail, Ashen Claws, Demon Hide, Whip Crack, Color Spray. Nearing the end here. Only a couple more packs to go. Got a Purifying Roar, Swift Exorcism, Sacrament of Blades, a Power Cycle, very fun rare, Moonflare, Dragon's Tail, Bug Zapper, which is a crazy card, Verdant Slaughter, Hell's Reach, and a Dominion over the Earth. Alright, next to last pack. Sacrament of Blades, Affliction, Gunblaze, Netherstorm, the ultra rare Fraternalus, very cool card, see some play, Solemn Exorcism, Barghest Fang, Radiation, Eviscerate, Dominion over the Earth, and a Hell's Reach. And our final pack. Alright, got the Crusader's Oath, Lightning Spike, Sacrament of Blades, the Plot Hook, another cool rare. I absolutely loved this card. Caustic Vent, Color Spray, Cross Up, Golden Arrow, Dragon's Tail, and Black Death. Right. Only real disappointment for this box, not enough character pulls. Alright, I mean, it is 10. I would have loved a couple more, but overall, lots of cool cards, lots of stuff I can throw into some standard decks. Can't wait to play with it. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Charles Barkley out.